Hey guys, I am back. I did not miss day 7 and I did not forget to upload a video. It's just that I messed it up big time. I wanted to paint a beautiful picture of Czech Republic, but I just messed it up, and you can watch further to see what mistakes I made, and you don't have to make them. So here we go. I started with the sketch, and sketch was fine, but once I started painting, it all went wrong. There, I think you understand my first mistake. I chose a very complicated picture for such a tiny sketchbook. I shouldn't have done that, but that was my first mistake. Then I made the paper too wet. I chose a wrong brush for the painting, because by the time I was sketching it, I somehow got the idea that this is not going to work. It's going to go haywire, and I think that panic worked. Now you see how intimidating this picture was, and I am just attempting it. That's my biggest mistake. Now, why I uploaded this video at the first place when I didn't even like it, or it did not turn up the way I wanted it to? Because I wanted to show you that anybody makes mistakes, everybody makes mistakes, and anybody can make mistakes. And if you happen to make such mistakes, don't be hard on yourself. Just accept it and let it go and move on in life. You can't be just sulking over one mistake, and you can't be so hard on yourself. It's okay. Some days are not our days. That's okay. Now I saw that it was not working. The colors were going haywire. They were pooling in here and there. So what happened? I panicked again, and I started detailing every single thing. And as you see, I started from the backdrop and I detailed everything. And then I thought, no, I did not aim for that. So I started lifting the colors, trying to make it undetailed. And then by the time I realized that I had detailed it too much, then I started not detailing much, and that was the foreground which I did not detail. So it was weird that the background was detailed and the foreground was not detailed. So the balance was wrong. So then I started lifting the colors from the background and making it blur. That made it even worse. Then I started detailing the foreground more so that it's detailed, but then that also went so wrong, and it kept going wrong and wrong and wrong. I don't even like the way the light is falling on the water. It formed hard edges because I wanted to make the colors dark, and it was not dark enough. So by the time I applied more color, the other colors were dried, so it formed dark edges, and now I'm struggling to remove the dark edges, and it's all haywire. You can see clearly it's all haywire. But this was my day 7, and I just had to share it with you guys. I did not want to make another painting for day 7 and show that off to you, because even if you are trying to take a 100 days challenge or a 7 days challenge or a 14 days challenge, there are days that will not go as per your expectation. There are paintings which will not go as per your expectation. We can't have a fully perfect sketchbook. No, we can't. In reality, we can't. There are some pages which are very pretty, but there can be some pages which are not as per your expectations. All I want to say here is just let it go and move on. Don't be hard on yourself. It's okay. Say it's okay to yourself. And if you're still here watching this process of a bad painting, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart.